presentation to sleep through. As for the approximately month it's been since my last video, I took some time off, and then I struggled to find a different topic to present on. There's some ideas I had, but I couldn't find good data sets to present on them. However, I think I have an interesting topic for busy airports. Like I say, I've been traveling recently with the holidays, the New Year's, winter solstice or summer solstice if you're in the southern hemisphere, and the different holidays. So we have some good data for the busiest airports in the world, and also some fun facts about specific airports, ranging from London Heathrow to Dubai to Singapore. Alright, so let's get into the data. Okay, so we'll start with the data here. So, and again, I'll leave a link in the description to where I obtained the data. So, this is in descending order, and it has the city, the airport abbreviation, because some cities have multiple airports that are in this list. And then it has the flights per day, so this list measures it in flights per day, not necessarily seats. Then it has the country, and then the continent. Now, for this, since Istanbul is on the edge of, part of Istanbul is in Europe, where the old city centers in Europe, and then part of it's in Asia, I checked on the map, and both Istanbul airports are west of the Bosphorus, so they are in Europe. Then I looked at the average temperature in Celsius and then Fahrenheit for people in the US or Myanmar, and this is average temperature in the winter. So for the northern hemisphere cities, it's the average temperature in January. For the southern hemisphere cities, this is the average temperature in July. Then I have the population. Now this is population only of the actual city, not metro area. So, we see Atlanta, that's not including all the suburbs, that they have in America, where you can get a much higher population figure. Then that's flights per 10,000 people. So I took the number of flights, I took the population divided by 10,000, put that in the denominator, and then put the number of flights in the numerator, and then it gets a figure of how many flights per 10,000 people. And then, like I say, Atlanta was the busiest, followed by Denver, Chicago, Guangzhou, Delhi, and then we go all the way to the bottom, or the 100th busiest airport was Sao Paulo in Brazil. One interesting thing when I looked at the data for the continents, Antarctica and Africa did not have any city or airports that were the 100 busiest, which surprised me. I would have thought Cairo might have been in the top 100, but at least according to the flights, the source, they're all either in North America, South America, Asia, Europe, so alright, so we'll get into and before I show the charts, I did a correlation because I wanted to see if there was any correlation between the number of flights and how mild the winters were, and there wasn't. If you see 0.06, it's a very, very weak correlation. Then I also to see if there is any correlation between the city population and the number of flights, and there was, again, a weak positive correlation of 0.21. So again, not a great correlation between the population and the number of flights. Okay, so we get into the charts. So this first chart shows the sum of flights in a day, and then the sum of the population. So you can see Asia and North America lead the way. Europe's third. Well, they say combined, Europe's third, and then say Oceania, and again, Oceania's really Australia, because New Zealand and none of the other places in Oceania had any entries. And then South America. See, scroll over for the chart. Again, Asia, North America, Europe, and again, Europe, I combined the two entries for west of the Bosphorus. And then Oceania and South America. Then I looked at what percentage of the flights in a day were from certain continents. So again, Asia is 42.9%, North America is 34.8%, Europe is 17.4%, Oceania is 2.4%, and South America is 2.4%. Alright. Then we get into the nation. Okay. What percent of the flights are from a nation? So as you see, the United States is first with 11,234, 30.2% of the total. China's next at 8,795 at 23.64% of the total. India's next at 1,576, 4.24% of the total. And then it goes down from there. You get into Canada, Australia, Deutschland, Turkey, United Kingdom, Japan, Spain, France, Mexico. I'll round up in the 2%, and then from now it's all the way down to Qatar, which is 0.62. So we got a chart to give you an idea. Like really, you got a majority of it's just between the United States and China. All the others combined, are less. And that's reflected in the chart. See a huge drop off. Then we get into the chart for the flights per 1,000 people. We did it on the continent level. So North America is 1.99 flights per 10,000 people. And again, this is the sum of the city population, so in reality it's different. Like you say, if you take all the countryside and rural population, but Oceania is 0.72, Europe is 0.63, Asia is 0.33, and South America is 0.16. See, so North America has the most flights per 10,000 people, and South America. And like I say, this is, the 100 busiest airports. Okay, so now we will go into the fun facts next. Okay, now we'll get into some fun facts with some specific airports. So, the airports, we'll start off with the Atlanta airport, then go to Chicago. Next we'll go to London, then Dubai, and we'll finish off in Singapore. Alright, fun fact number 1. sources for the fun facts. Alright, so fun fact number 1. The Flint River, which starts just north of the airport, actually winds its way underneath the airport. So if you want to go kayaking, I don't know, maybe you could go underneath the airport. Who knows? Alright, fun fact number 2. Runway 10-28, the 5th runway at the airport, plays host to an aptly named 5K on the 5th runway every year. I guess if someone wanted to get off to a flying start on the 5K, they should do it in Atlanta. Alright, fun fact number 3. Hartsfield-Jackson is located on an abandoned racetrack once known as the Atlanta Speedway. The track was owned by Coca-Cola founder and former Atlanta Mayor Asa Candler and operated from 1909 through the early 1920s. Well, yes, that's one way to make use of an old track, just turn it into an airport. Fun fact number 4. One of the airport's permanent exhibits is along the walking concourse between terminals B and C. There's a comprehensive history of Atlanta. So maybe you can see if Atlanta goes all the way back to BC, or how old Atlanta is. Alright, fun fact number 5. A whopping 63,000 people work at the Atlanta airport, including the airline, ground transportation, concessionaire, security, federal government, City of Atlanta, and airport tenant employees, according to USA Today. It is Georgia, and this is the state of Georgia, not the country of Georgia. It is Georgia's largest employer. Okay. Fun fact number 6. There are 6 Starbucks at the Atlanta airport. So I guess you can go around and have a long enough layover. Maybe you can go to multiple Starbucks. Alright, next we'll go over to the windy city of Chicago. Fun fact number 7. Chicago O'Hare Airport was originally known as Orchard Field Airport, but was renamed in 1949 to honor naval pilot Edward Butch O'Hare. Take a peek around. Rumor has it there's some old orchid signs still hanging up. Fun fact number 8. O'Hare has 2 Chicago's famous Rocky Mountain chocolate factories located in Terminals 1 and 3, with sweet treats such as homemade fudge and chocolate-covered strawberries. Although I don't know. Rocky Mountains, that's west of Chicago. I thought that was like in Denver. I don't know. Maybe they're headquartered in Chicago. I guess you let me know in the comments if you know. Alright, fun fact number 9. O'Hare offers multiple services to help you de-stress and relax. In Terminal 3, there's a yoga room. And in Terminal 5, there's a spa and massage place. Well, hopefully your layover's not that long where you need a massage, but who knows. Okay, now we're gonna go over to Europe. Go to London Heathrow specifically. Fun fact number 10. Terminal 1 does not exist. It is actually has signs for just Terminal 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's actually no Terminal 1. And this is due to the fact that Terminal 1 closed on June 29, 2015 after 47 years in service. Fun fact number 11. Deep underneath the busy departure gates of Terminal 5 is a hidden ghost train station. The station, which has no track in it at the moment, was included in the construction of Terminal 5, which opened in 2000. 2008, so new rail links to Heathrow can be created in the future, such as a western rail link to Reading and a southern rail link to Waterloo. Fun fact number 12. Control towers are very tall. The control tower at Heathrow was built in 2007 and is 87 meters high, which is nearly the height of 20 double-decker buses stacked on top of each other. Fun fact number 13. Before Heathrow had 5 numbered terminals, Europa and Oceanic were its 2 main terminals. Fun fact number 14. Secret Terminal 6. There's one more secret terminal. Terminal 6. That's right, we're giving you the inside scoop here in Haystats tomorrow. It is a very small terminal exclusively used for VIPs. Includes the Windsor Suite, which is for the members of the royal family visiting dignitaries and heads of state, and some celebrities. It costs 1,500 quid per person per visit to use. Okay, now we'll make our way over to Dubai. The Dubai airport has its own 5-star hotel. If you're exhausted from your long flight, you can get some rest in the Dubai International Hotel. Luxury amenities are guaranteed. This hotel is situated in Terminal 1 and has a swimming pool, restaurants, and a conference hall. Fun fact number 16. The Dubai airport has its own Zen garden. Fun fact number 17. The airport has its own entertainment facilities. The lounges in the Dubai airport offer the highest level of comfort. There is an outdoor swimming pool, gym, massage parlors, cinemas, restaurants, and many other entertainment spots. Alright, now we go to Singapore, which will finish off here. Fun fact number 18. The world's first butterfly garden was in the airport was opened, housing more than 1,000 free rolling butterflies. Fun fact number 19. Terminal 2 treats travelers to a collection of rare orchids, 500 bright yellow sunflowers, decorative mosaic sculptures, and the entertainment deck, home to Xbox 360s and a free 24-hour cinema. And we'll finish off with fun fact number 20. There's also a cinema, a koi pond, and a 12-meter high slide in Terminal 3. That alone makes me want to go to Singapore. I'll have to make my way over there eventually. Alright. And, like I say, I appreciate everyone's patience with the time between the videos. I'm contemplating doing a video related to another sporting event. So in the United States, the NFL playoffs are about to start. So I'm contemplating doing a video related to that. Anyway, if anyone has any suggestions, please leave a comment below. Again, this is Stats MR, hoping that your efforts have a positive correlation with results. So long.